I was very silly and goofy and I turned my alarms off, so I was almost late, but I made it onto the train with enough time to grab a snack. So I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and then have breakfast and then eventually get coffee because I am exhausted. We made it. I'm so early. It's always better to be early than late, and it is actually quite a beautiful day, so I'm not complaining. I think I might walk around, find somewhere to get some coffee, have a coffee. I'm a bit tired. I just got a coffee. It is so good. Very much needed. It is so cold here. Yes, got a latte with salted caramel syrup. Noise.
There's a larger version of this pub,
Yes.
which is the largest Irish pub in London, and it has a big tree in it, and we'll go there next.
Nice.
We're having a good time.
We're having the best time.
We're looking for dumplings.
As we always are. We're going to Din Tai Fung,
We have no reservation.
but we're gonna try, and it is the best place.
It is the best dumpling place ever.
Bella's finessing. Bella will do it. She's finessing? I don't think she's finessing. Oh no. No.
He said that they've stopped the walk-ins list.
No.
It's very sad.
Taste test. Fried rice. It's like, what else do you say? That's like me in all my vlogs. I'm like, it's so fun.
I'm just munching.
You munch. I am going to teach you guys how to eat a xiao long bao. Here it is. Hey besties. So, what is this? It's like ginger and vinegar.
Ginger and vinegar. Pickled ginger and vinegar and soy.
Yeah, so you just shove it in there and then you just lift it into your spoon and get all the drops that you can. And then bite and then suck the soup up. And then just eat the whole thing.
Don't put the whole thing in your mouth because the soup will burn your face.
Yeah. So you bite. And then after that, I like to, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then get that kind of in the hole.
You put it in your mouth. It's so good.
The most orgasmic experience you can get without having sex. You're welcome.
The way that I eat a xiao long bao is that I get rid of the soup first, okay, then I drink it, and then we dip in the sauce.
Nice.
We get real into it, really into it,
Get it in
and
there.
then we put it on the spoon, and then we put this in my mouth.
Nice. And enjoy.
Really hot, but delicious.
Okay, Bella, what is it near?
I have a Friday night extravaganza, but it's actually a Sunday. So in my bag, I've got a bottle of wine. We have some Chinese food in here. I'm not going to pull it out for you. And then we also have a dip. Hold on 1 second. We'll pull this out for you.
Nice.
Penis. Oh God, it's going to break. Hang on. Oh no.
Yes, we have.
And that's what I have in my bag.
Nice haul. Good haul.
Sunday.
10 out of 10.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.